Howdy y'all. So today I'm going to try to give you a sound comparison on the stock exhaust versus a Flowmaster exhaust on my 85 Toyota 4Runner. I got the top off, been cruising around, enjoying that. Weather's finally nice, I can do that. So anyway, right now the exhaust on it is stock. I mean, it has an exhaust header on it, but other than that, the exhaust is just stock. It's rotted out. A couple of hangers are broke, swings around. It's, it clangs. It sucks. So today I'm putting a Flowmaster on it with dual dumps, and we're going to see how it sounds. All right, so I'm going to show you. This is what's going on it. So it's a single in, dual out. I believe it's a 3-inch by, I don't remember if it's I think it's a 2.5. I don't remember. I'd have to measure it. But anyway, it's a 40 series, and this is what I'm putting on it. So hopefully it'll sound good. I'm going to try to have it dumped right in front of the rear axle. All right, so this is what it looks like underneath. It's pretty bad. I'll show you. So this is what I'm going to try to get taken care of. Anyway, all right, let me give her a cold start and we'll see what it sounds like right now. So you can hear it right now. It's pretty quiet. I mean, it sucks. I don't like it. So it cackles and pops a little bit when you're trying to drive, and it's noisy. The exhaust swinging around, it's noisy. So, but anyway, in case if anybody wanted to know what it looks like in here, it's pretty messy. Just an old mud truck. So, all right, let's go get her done. All right, exhaust is all done. You can see it all up in there. Anyway, I'll try to let you listen to it, see what you think. Pretty good. There is a little bit of a drone, but that's expected whenever you use Flowmasters. So, and plus it's also